In a quarter mile, turn right at Kayabashi 1 onto Shoadori Avenue.
Cũng vậy. I always have something in my pockets for you. Make sure you do the same for yourself.
You guys look around, see what you guys see. Anything interesting?
Turn left.
Carter, there's a violin gallery here.
In a quarter mile, turn left at Tsukiyabashi onto Harumi Dori Avenue toward Harumi.
You see GU here, honey? GU? That's Uniqlo's cheaper version. It's like Gap and Old Navy.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Which store the back?
At the light,
What?
turn left onto Harumi Dori Avenue toward Harumi.
Ask text her again. I wrote it down. Gucci is over there, I think. Coach is over there.
At the light, turn left onto Mayuki Dori Avenue.
Yeah?
Is there a lounge at the hotel?
I don't think so. Not this one.
Are we staying at multiple hotels?
No. This is it.
Okay.
I don't want to move around.
So this is so tối đấy. They do want you to hit the bell. Khi you come out.
Hả?
Nó có ở một tối.
Okay, Chanel's on the right side. You hear me?
In a
Right.
quarter mile, turn right.
Chanel on the right side. Dolce Gabbana. Todd's on the left side. What's on the left side? Okay. Some festival.
What festival?
Some sort of festival.
Huh?
Some sort of festival. Fendi on the right side. Wow, look at that building. Cody car, eyes up.
No, yeah.
Oh, okay. How you doing, huh?
No.
Okay, relax. Just asking. Yeah.
This is so
I didn't do it.
Come on, boys. If he's tired, leave him alone.
Go past this light, then turn right.
Did we really walk this far? Jeez. Seriously? Yeah, we were
Turn
here.
right, then the destination is on your left.
We ate here. This is the back alley. Yeah.
The destination is on your left.
It's okay this way? Yeah, okay. Arigato. Look at that little car.